up guys, it's Colleen again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on MAC Cosmetics. I did step into their office today and purchase a few goodies. We all have to refill every once in a while, if you know what I mean. Alright, so went to MAC. Got my beautiful bag. Inside this bag we have some goodies. As you can see, I got my full face done. I do have two different foundations. One of them being the NC25. You guys can see it from there. NC25. I know it's a little upside down. This is the packaging it does come in. It is a 24-hour wear. I'll read it to you. It says here on the box, 24-hour wear, buildable full matte coverage, oil and shine control, which is a plus, right? Because after a while, after you go through the day, you have to have those little sponges because we do what? Our face starts to oil from all of that oil-based makeup. Okay? So this is a really pretty foundation. Now the reason I have two foundations is because of this. My neck tends to be a little bit lighter than my face is usually, which is fine. Now for an everyday look, you don't have to go, you know, full-fledged out and do the dramatic eye or the dramatic face or the contouring and etc. The reason I did this is because I had an event to attend this evening. It is like a little mini holiday for my city. So I did go a little above and beyond for this evening. So we don't have to do that every day. Ladies, if we're going to work, then you know one foundation is fine, unless you prefer to mix a foundation or to have that that full coverage, you know, tone. But typically when you're in the daytime, it's fine. If you're at nighttime, you don't want to look too pale, you know what I mean? So then you go with those two different foundations. So for me, my choice during the day would be the NC25. This bottle, it will go a long way. If you do use their brushes, I believe their brushes are about $30 a piece, excluding tax. But the brushes, it is you know, a little bit pricey, I'm sorry to say, but it is an investment, and it does last a long time. They work very well, and they help you get that full coverage all over your face. So one drop goes a long way. Okay, so this bottle, it was about, they run me about 34 and some change, maybe a little bit more. I don't have the receipt in front of me. However, this bottle should last you a really long time if you utilize it the correct way. Alright? And again, this is the NC25, and it does have the sun protection, the sunscreen in there. It is a SPF 15. Alright, so it is a broad spectrum as well. Alright, so you kind of get two good, you know, aspects in this bottle, in this little bitty bottle. Alright, love it. So as you can see, I do have it on my face, and it is full coverage. I've had it on all day. Day being, let's say it is my time, it's 1:50 in the morning. I've had this makeup on since about 12 in the evening. So that's longer than, you know, that's over 12 hours. So this box doesn't lie. It actually does its magic. It lives up to its name. It lives up to its quote, you know, its statement. It means what it says. It does protect your skin from sun. You know, SPF 15 as we spoke about earlier. And also it does have the oil and shine control. It is a 24-hour wear, and it is a buildable full matte coverage foundation, which is a plus in my book, because, you know. Alright, so I don't know if my makeup artist messed up on this one, but she usually does like if you go with a lighter foundation, a little bit darker powder, or vice versa. However, she did give me the same one of both. Again, this powder is NC25 as well. It's a 24-hour wear. It's also an oil and shine control. Now, this is what it looks like. Little button feature here allows you to just, gives you this mirror, which is a great mirror. And the foundation here. Alright, now if you lift up this little goodie, get a little bitty sponge so you can apply that powder. Okay. Now they do have the brushes that matte as well, the powder brushes, which are excellent. Okay. They work really well as well. Like I said, MAC can get a little pricey, but again, it is an investment and it does help you. This is a poreless powder as well. And as you can see, some of my, well, you can't see it because I have my MAC on today. But at one point I did utilize
an Avon product to wash my face.
However, I guess maybe my face was too young and immature to use those types of things. I guess I may have left it on there for a second too long, and that I started to feel a tingle. And when I noticed it started tingling after I washed it off, my pores, like some of my pores looked like they were still open, like maybe my face burned or something. And that's basically what happened. Like my pores were burnt and they still look like they're kind of open today. So poreless foundation, MAC Matte Poreless Foundation really helps me out, okay? Really good investment, ladies. I would totally go and get the boxes of these today. Now, if you spend over $100, a free gift. They are giving out this right now. This is inspired by our Southern roots. Yay! Alright. So these are going to be your eyeshadows here. Alright, and these are going to be your blushes. So you do have a browner one. I would say that would be more like a bronzer, so to speak, or a couture color. You have a pink for a blush as well, and then you have a light, like a rose gold. It's very pretty. It's alright. Alright, and then you have a couple different colors. So these are more, you know, neutral Southern Belle colors. We go with the pinks, the browns, the golds, the tans, the more neutral, the more natural look, so to say. Now, I'm saying we, I am a Southern as well. Then you also get a lip gloss, okay? So I cannot wait to try this collection on. And when I do try this collection on, you guys will be the first to see. If anybody's tried this, please comment below. Let me know how it works, if it's good, if it's bad, if it looks good, if you have any pictures, let our sister know. So you're probably wondering what this dramatic lashes I have on my eye. I call myself trying to do something very special for my fiance this evening, but everything did not work as planned. I didn't get done with work and running around with everything until later on this evening. Alright, so when it was time for me to get home and get myself together for our evening, I realized I didn't have everything I needed. The essentials, the tools I needed to make that evening happen. So, the lashes that I went with to go with the outfit I was going to portray they are really pretty. So when you go with a dramatic look, you want to do a more dramatic eyelash if you do choose to do an eyelash, like a fuller lash. A thicker one, you know, if you want that dramatic look. Now, if you don't want that dramatic flare, you can go with a more natural flare and get a thinner eyelash instead of getting, you know, a real bold and bossy one, I like to say. Alright, so your eyelashes do come in these. For anyone who's not familiar with the MAC eyelash collection, they do come in these. Once you collect 6 of these and you bring your containers, they give you one for free. Okay? Let's see if their number is on this one. Alright, so this one is C48. The one I have on is C48. You can see it right here. Alright, C48. And that is the lash that I do have on this evening. Alright. Now, my favorite out this whole bag. My favorite out the whole bag is going to be my Aaliyah lipstick. Isn't it pretty? Look at the box it come in. It is on sale, guys. It's on sale right now. I hope they're not about to discontinue it, but it's only $9.99 right now, okay? This lipstick is so pretty, okay? I had it on in the beginning of the video. Again, like I said, I've eaten chicken wings today. I've eaten Chinese food. Like, we're having a little fiesta out here on my end today. So that's, again, why I have the dramatic eye thing going on. But this Aaliyah lipstick, I will put it on here in a second for you guys and let you see how it looks. It's beautiful to me. I'm going to wear these lipsticks. They're really pretty and they're on sale right now. And that is the Aaliyah collection. the baby girl collection. Alright, so this is my brown lip pencil. It is a very pretty color. I have the Cork lip liner. Okay, I will show you what this stuff looks like on in just a second. For those ladies who are familiar with this one, thumbs up, right? Beautiful color. It blends with just about everything, okay? Just let me know. But I just love their bags. It makes you feel like you came out the studio. It makes you feel special. Alright, now let's go ahead and get these lips done.
So I'm going to go ahead and try this lip liner. This is the Cork lip liner again, and this is the Aaliyah Baby Girl
Try Again lipstick, okay? This is the Try Again. Alright, you can always find the names of your makeup on the ends of the boxes, or on the ends of the sticks, or on the sides of the sticks, okay?
Look at the box it comes in, it's so pretty. So to begin this look, look at me, begin this look. To begin this lip look, that's 2 a.m. coming up. It depends on how you like
your lip. Now, ladies, you know if you like your lip looking smaller, thinner, fatter, juicier, plumper, you know how you like your lip. Me personally, my lips are already pretty big, so some days, you know, I will go ahead and fulfill those lips and outline them just how they are. But
just kind of follow your lip pattern. Again, this is the Cork. I like to define the top of my lips because I think they're really sexy.
Alright guys, so in this section, it is the ending of our section. I'm so sorry that the video is upside down. You know, from time to time my camera does mess up. Again, this is the Cork lip liner with the Aaliyah Try Again lipstick. I'm sorry the video is upside down. Again, you guys, thank you so much for enjoying the video with me. Hope to see you again soon. Please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any requests for any views, feel free to comment or inbox me at any time. Alright, you have a good evening. Toodles!